Is catching rats a crime? Why Gujarat took action against glue traps. In Gujarat's Mehsana district, the direction of 5 people to arrest for using glue traps to catch rats resulted in an FIR being filed against them under the relevant provisions of the Indian Civil Safety Code and Section 223 of the IPC. Although later released on bail, this case presents important points about animal cruelty and legal compliance. Glue traps are cardboard coated with a strong medical adhesive and baited with food set in corners to lure rats. Once a rat steps on the trap, its limbs and body stick to the surface and cannot free itself from the trap. Consequently, the rat suffers a painful and slow death. The method is inhuman. In 2024, the Gujarat High Court issued an oral directive on strictly implementing the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act under Section 11, stating that unnecessary pain or suffering shouldn't be inflicted upon any animal. Why was the FIR filed? According to Mehsana's Deputy SP Milap Patil, the FIR was lodged following requests from various organizations advocating against animal cruelty. He explained a notification had been issued prohibiting the sale and use of glue traps. These individuals violated the law and action was taken accordingly. The police have also urged the public to refrain from using glue traps to catch rats and consider more human alternatives. The legal framework. Under Section 163 of the Indian Civil Safety Code, the use or sale of glue traps is illegal. Violators face legal action under Section 223 of the Indian Penal Code 2023. Efforts to prevent animal cruelty. The Gujarat High Court's directive and subsequent administrative actions aim to enforce the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals Act effectively. This case highlights the need for greater awareness and adherence to laws that protect animals from suffering. The bigger question: could more humane methods for pest control be promoted? Should similar bans on glue traps be implemented across the country to ensure animal welfare?
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.